So you want to leave your job and you want to know how to do that and take the steps to start replacing your income through property investing. So my name is Mark Harvey, this is Real Life Group, and I want to bring to you the strategies that you can use to leave your job if you choose to. Now you might want to leave your job because you just had enough. You might want to have more free time to do the things that you want to do in your life, with your friends, with your family. It might be travel. Or you might have bigger plans of what it is that you want to do. You want to work on something that's your passion, and currently what you're doing is not fulfilling that passion. Whatever the reason, I'm going to show you right now how you can do this in 8 months or less. And it's up to you how much you go for this, but this is how this is going to work. So here we've got the month. This is what month it's going to be. So this column, this is what you need. This is what you need on a monthly basis to be able to pay all your bills and live your life the way you need to live your life to be able to make this change or make this step. This column is your new income, because you're going to need some new income to start replacing this so you can leave your job within 8 months or sooner. This can be done so much quicker, but look, I know that some of you like to play it safe and you like your certainty. So look, safety is built in because you never know what can happen. So this isn't all about blue skies, but this is about showing you the multiple options of how you can make this happen. So I'm just going to use a straightforward example of, let's say I need every month, I'm going to need £2,000 just to live, pay my bills, take care of my finances so I can eat. You know, that'd be a good idea to carry on eating, right? So that's a total of £16,000 over this 8-month period that I'm earning anyway, because this is what I need to live. Then obviously that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm producing now because I'm paying my bills, eating my food. That's what's happening. So we're going to play this very conservative. So there are many strategies, and you can learn all about all these different strategies, the most lucrative strategies at Real Life Property Wealth if you want to know more in detail. But there are rent-to-rent strategies, rent-to-service accommodation, HMOs, buy-to-let, flipping, sourcing, doing project management, all of these different ways that you can generate income. So look, if we take this for an example, I'm going to say very conservative. If you start following the processes and the systems and using the formulas to find deals, get offers accepted where it works for you because the vendor wants to sell it to you, and it works for you because you can get a great investment. By the way, subscribe to this channel because you can then watch other videos, because we got another video of how to create a deal that gives you an infinite ROI. So if you are interested in 5, 10, even 20, and sometimes 25%, which, hey, let's face it, it's better than it being in the bank. But if you want to look at how to create a deal to get you infinite ROI, then make sure that you go check that out. So you're in your job, you're making this money. So there are strategies that you can do as little as 20 minutes a day to start getting this ball rolling. I mean, I know you can put more in, but I just want to be conservative and I want you to realize that this can be done. So worst case scenario, we're going to say that for the first 3 months, let's say, you don't make anything on this side, conservative. But there are strategies where many people have come bursting out of the blocks and they make money. But in this scenario, I just want to say that you don't. So using various strategies, let's say in month 4 you make £3,000. Now this can easily be done and much more through sourcing a property. And here's the thing about sourcing. You don't even need to go through all of the training and the compliance of being able to know how every aspect of the sourcing works. You just need the formulas to know how to find deals and how to get offers accepted. Because there are many people out there that are going to welcome these awesome deals that you go and get accepted, and what they will do as sourcers with all the legalities and fully compliant, they will go and finish it off and you guys can split the fee. So you can actually do this from sitting at home in your pants if you choose to. That's how simple this is, but you gotta know how to do it. You gotta make sure you get trained to do this. So in month 4 and 5, we're starting to make money. We could get one deal sourced, and then we could get another deal sourced, and even start to earn income off either a rent to rent or some other activity. So look, they're easily great deals that want to be purchased. I'm seeing them be purchased all the time, 10,000, 15,000, even 20,000, because when you get awesome deals, all money out, so they're infinite returns, high cash flow in, HMOs, high cash flow in, or blocks of flats, they're easily going to be sold for 10, 15,000. So even if you're taking half of it, 10,000, then that's in your pocket here. So here's the secret. While all this has been going on and you think you've only just been making money from here, all the activity was continuing to happen, and you could, if you want to quit your job and you want some capital money to make this happen for you, what you can do is you could start the strategy of flipping. So you're going to buy something, add value to it, and then sell it on. So this can happen very quickly if you choose the right property following the right formula. And as you go through month 1, 2, and 3, and all this is happening, and you're going through exchange and completion, and the work is then being carried out, you could easily finish a product in 2 to 3 months when you're just going to be adding enough value to it to make, it could even be only £20,000 profit. But you can do this. There are strategies and there are people doing it all of the time. So for month 6 and 7, I'm just going to be totally conservative and say you don't do anything at that point. So here you go. You got the some money because activity was happening. Then by month 8, you sell your property, the flip property, and you make 20k. Now you can leave your job if you choose to. But let's face it. Also, if you want to work this out and say, hey, look, why this activity is, why the money starts happening, and then I know I can replicate this and continue to generate this level of income through either sourcing or through some rent-to-rent or service accommodation, then you might choose to leave your job much sooner to give yourself the full-time capability. And this is a great thing about property, because there can be times where it seems like you don't have enough time because everything's coming together, exchange, completions, projects, and all of that. Then there's other times where you have a lot of time on your hands. So, and that's even in the beginning as well. So this is what I'm saying. So you can quit sooner if you wish, or you could wait to this point, because now you have this 20,000, this 2,000 that you need to pay yourself. You can give yourself another 10 months. Yeah, baby, 10 months to be able to now go and do the next set of projects. And then at the same time, by the way, not only could you be making this money and then you've done a flip, but also in the background, you could have been doing your first buy to let. Could be a block of flats, could be a HMO. Now that project's going to be coming to finish, and then you're going to be looking at getting the cash flow from that, the monthly cash flow, and a refinance. And many refinances, especially with creative strategies that we and many of our tribe members use, you can get some money out to also recycle and fund and invest in other deals. So if you want to know how to do all of that, I would suggest that you come to the next Real Life Property Wealth event, but also just subscribe to this channel. We've got many videos. In fact, we have another video on how to create an awesome deal, how to get all of your money out of the deal so you can recycle the money. So look, this is just the basic. This is just scratching the surface in how you can leave your job if you choose to within 8 months.